Moving on to assessed bank finance. What do we mean by saying assessed bank finance? Here, the working capital requirement, basically the fund-based requirement, we'll call cash credit, is assessed under this method, assessed bank finance. It means we are not going for the other criteria, that is when the turnover is below 5 crore, okay, we have NAIC committee recommendations. But when it is above 5 crore, banks are at liberty to adopt their own method to arrive at the eligible limit. To explain this, let me start with total current assets. Let's say total current assets is 100 crore. Of this current assets, sundry creditors are going to contribute say around 20%, and let's say other current liabilities are there, outstanding expenses and all, they are going to contribute 10%, and net working capital is there, that is infusion of long-term funds for supporting working capital. Let's say that is around 25%. It means your total asset 100 crore, of which 20 crore is funded by sundry creditors, 10 crore is funded by other current liabilities, 25 crore is funded by net working capital. So if you add all the three, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. 55 crore is funded by creditors, other current liabilities and net working capital. It means what is the balance portion? Balance portion is 45 crore. Okay, balance portion is 45 crore. It means bank finance to current asset is 45%. The point what we have to appreciate here is under assessed bank finance is arrived as balancing figure. That is, sundry creditors are funding the business, other current liabilities are funding, net working capital is also funding, and only the balance portion should be funded by the bank. So all the three, when they have funded, it is 55%. It means remaining 45% should come from bank finance or is coming from bank finance. Okay, but I can also put it in a different form in a table like this. Okay, when you go through the table you will get an idea. Look at here. Here we have last sanction details, then current year details and projections for the following year. Last sanction details. Look at the estimated sales. It was 162 crore. Actual is 164 crore. So well and good. Look at the cycle. This is cycle, working capital cycle. 118 days was expected, but actual was 91. So this is also good. So this is also good because it is better than estimate. This is even better than estimate. And look at net sales to TTA. Estimated is 1.26, actual is 1.24. So there's a marginal decline, but it's not a matter of concern. Okay. Now we'll focus on this. What was estimated? If 100 rupees is going to be the current asset, 29.1% is from bank finance. Sundry creditors are 25%. Other current liabilities will be 20%. And net working capital will be 25.73%. So bank finance are expected to be 29%. But what happened is bank finance is only 27.57. Sundry creditor is not 25, it is only 23. So where did the change happen? In other current liabilities. Other current liabilities got increased almost by 11%, right? So it was estimated to be 20, but actual was 31. So since more sundry creditors were available, net working capital got reduced. So this is a matter of concern. I mean, Net working capital 25.73 means current ratio will be in the range of 1.33. It will be marginally greater than 1.33. But here 18.15 means current ratio is below 1.33. It means the owner's contribution or long-term fund infusion for supporting the total current asset is very less here. Also look at the fund-based working capital. Estimated is 18.5, actual is less than that, that is good. Non-fund based, it is same, 10.5, 10.5. Okay, so this is the position of estimate vis-a-vis actual. Here actual ABF to total current asset is less than estimate, that is good, but the matter of concern here is net working capital to TCA is below the expected level. It is below 25%. This 25% is very important. 25.73 is very important because the minimum net working capital contribution is expected to be 25%. Only then current ratio of 1.33 can be achieved. Here it is 18.15%. So obviously current ratio will also be below 1.33. This is last year's concern. Let's see what is the position for next year. That is current year. Current year sales is increasing because compared with actual sales are increasing. Working capital cycle is also the cycle is getting lengthened, but okay. And look at net sales to TTA. This is also coming down, maybe because of the reason the expansion is taking place, but there is no matching increase in sales in the current year, because you can see next year there is a substantial jump in sales and good improvement in the ratio as well. Then what is happening? 27.57% of ABF to TCA, assessed bank finance to total current asset, is coming down to 24.5. It is a good sign, estimated to be good. Sundry creditor is estimated to come down, it is also good. Other current liability estimated to come down, good. Net working capital to current asset is estimated to go up to 24.78%. So things are expected to move in positive direction. All the estimates are expected to be positive. And even here if you notice, there is an increase in ABF to TCA, but there is good increase in net working capital to TCA also. So this is fine, this is considered as okay, right? So this is how ABF, assessed bank finance, is done. So I repeat once again, you can have current asset. In that current asset, one portion, let me put it here, you can have current asset in that one portion can be funded by sundry creditors, one portion by other current liability, one portion by net working capital, and balance will be by ABF, assessed bank finance. In that, the minimum expectation over here is 25%, and this proportion can vary, okay, but this is expected to be 25%. So sometimes there will be shift from sundry creditors to ABF, there will be shift from OCL to ABF, but this level would again depends upon the collaterals what banks are taking, okay.